Hello, I am Biplav speaking. Yes, this is my today's daily checklist video. As well as we started my work at 9 in the morning, and first of all I check my mail, and so I look on beta team and retina team also, and others mails check, and which is not very important, then this mail I move to sort mail, and then I go to my today's work. And this is today my schedule is got list. Yesterday I didn't get all the products. Some products have remained, and today I work on that. I submitted. I got this product, and among them there are two products are restricted, and I set it on restricted sheet, and one product has remained, and I set it my channel here. I also work on KGG ad. Over there I submit some on detail on rental tenant channel, and also work on rental Emacs bill. And today I got the 4-1 Fungo properties, and now October's bill all are clear now. And today in the evening I talk with Mr. Asif. Maybe he is a newcomer, and he talked with me about the work. I said that we are here, and if you have any question or want to know anything, then I will help him. So he didn't get his mail yet, so my suggestion that you should provide him the mail number and also password. And that's all is my work schedule today. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.